Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys this super easy Navratri look. So without any more delay, let's begin. I'll start by prepping my face first with a chia seed advanced face cream from the face shop. This is going to keep my face hydrated. And for primer today, I am going to use the Color Bars primer. This creates such a smooth canvas. Then I'm going in with a CC cream because I think this works so well for the entire night. I'll apply this with my finger first and then I'll blend it out with a brush. For my concealer today, I am going in with the Spotlight Ready Concealer by PAC and blending that in again with a brush and making sure there are no creases left. Now I'm using the Fit Me Loose Powder in the shade Light Medium and I'm applying this under my eyes and wherever I need my concealer to set. Now it's time for my eyelids, so I'm going in with the Makeup Revolution's palette. I am using this light green shade and applying it all over my lid. Then I'm going in with a darker green shade and applying that towards the outer corner of my eye. Now I'm just gonna blend that all together till it's really smooth. And now I'm using this light shimmery shade towards the inner corners to brighten up my eyes. Then I'm using my favorite eye pencil in black from Nika to tighten my waterline. Finishing it up with some mascara. This is the Lash Lift from Maybelline. Now it's time for the contour and this is something I cannot do without, so I'm just putting this on my cheekbones and contouring my nose. So for my blush today, I'm using this Miss Claire blush and I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks and some on my nose as well. After that, I'm just going in with my highlighter. This is my favorite right now. It's in the shade Molten Gold. For my lips today, I am using the K-Beauty's lip liner in the shade Hype and going ahead with a lipstick. This is from Faces Canada and it's in the shade Victorian Mauve and it's such a pretty color. And that's the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, then please like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.